Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. In our last session, we studied about indexing and slicing on a list. So tell me what will be the output of this code snippet. If I run it, what will be the output? 456. Why? The first element of the list is a list 1, 2, 3. Second element 4, 5, 6. Third element 7, 8, 9. This is a two-dimensional list. So if I write L of 1, that means it will fetch the first element of the list, that is 4, 5, 6. Now I want only 5. Now to access 5, I have to write 1 again. Now 4 is in 0th position, 5 is in first position, 6 is in second position. So now if I run it, the output will be 5. Clear? Now how I can access only 9? Try to tell me the code. Print. First, I have to go to the third element of the list, that is 7, 8, 9, 0th position, first position, second position. So I have to write 2. Okay, now we have fetched 7, 8, 9, but I want only 9. So now 7 is in 0th position, 8 is in first position, 9 is in second position. So again I have to write. Now see, 9 will be the output. Okay, now suppose if I write print L 1 0. Tell me what will be the output. L of 1 means first position. So in 0th position, this is first position. So 4, 5, 6. Now 0. So now 4 is in the 0th position. So the output will be 4. Clear? Now take an example of 3D list. Here you can see it is a 3D list because this is a 2D list. This is a 2D list. This is also a 2D list, and together they are making a 3D list. Layers of list you can see. Now if I try to fetch 0, then what will be the output? This is in 0th position, right? This list is in first position. This list is in second position. So if I run it, the output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A 2D list. Clear? Now I want to print only 4, 5, 6. So what I can do? If I write 1, because now 1 to 3 is in 0th position, 4, 5, 6 is in 1 position, so only 4, 5, 6 will be printed. Clear? Now if I want to access only the 6, how I can do it? Now start again. This is in 0th position, this is in first position, 6 is in second position. So if I want only 6, I have to write 2. Clear? So this is the way you can access the element of 3D list using indexing also. Clear? Now suppose I print my 3D list and I write 2, then I write 1, then I write 0. Can you tell me what will be the output? First, my list 2, that means second position, 0th position, first position, second position. So we are here now. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. Next, first position. So now this becomes 0th position and this one is first position. So now we are in 16, 17, 18. Okay. Now again if I write 0, that means 16, because 16 is in the 0th position. So the output will be 16. Let me show you. Oh, sorry. I have written 3D list. This will be 3D list 16. Clear? Now let's start today's session. First one is which operators can be applied on list? Two operators. Number one arithmetic operator. Number two is the membership operator. Here I have taken list 1, 1 to 3, list 2, 4, 5, 6. Now I am using the addition symbol. So what will be the result? Both of the list will be concatenated into a single list. Clear? Now if I use the multiplication operator, what will happen? The list will be repeated 3 times and it will be in a single list. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So two types of arithmetic operators can be applied on list. Additional operator, multiplication operators. No other arithmetic operators can be applied on list. Clear? Next one is membership operator. You remember membership operator? In operator and not in operator. In means to check whether the element is present inside the list or not. Here the list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if 3 in my list, yeah, 3 is in my list. So print 3 is in the list. So it will be printed. Clear? Now if I write 6 not in my list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 6 is not in the list. So this is condition is also true. So it will be printed 6 is not in the list. Clear? Now if I write 5, then what will happen? 5 is in the list. So this condition is not true. So this print statement will not be printed. See, nothing will be printed. So membership operator can also be applied on list. So two operators, arithmetic, membership. Membership operator in, not in, arithmetic operator, additional operator, and multiplication operator. Okay, fine. Now editing using indexing. List data type can be edited. Here I have taken a list 1, 3.5, 7, 9, 9.6. Okay. Now I want that 3.5 to be replaced by 6. First access 3.5 using my list 1. My list 1 equal to 6 means the value in the first position will be replaced by 6. Now if I run it, what will happen? See, 3.5 is replaced by 6. So this is the way you can edit a list also. Clear? Now if I want to edit a list using slicing, how can I do it? Here I want 357 to be replaced by 2, 3. How can I do it? 3 is in first position, 5 second position, 7 third position. So slicing concept 1 to 4, last one is excluded. Here it will be replaced by 2, 3. Now if I print, clear. So 357 replaced by 2, 3. Clear? Okay, so these are the way we can edit by indexing or by editing using slicing. Okay, now let's understand how we can delete any element. How we can delete? If I use the del keyword, we have studied before also, it will delete the complete list. So my list equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if I write del my list and I try to print it, see it will show as an error because the list is deleted. Now again I am trying to access the list, so it will show my list is not defined. Clear? Next, I don't want to delete the whole list. I want to delete a portion of the list. How I can do it? Same concept, slicing. Del my list 1 to 3. That means 2 will be deleted because 2 is in first position. 3 will be deleted because 3 is in second position. And the last one is excluded. So now if I print it, 2 and 3 will be deleted. So the remaining will be 1, 4, 5. So by using only the del keyword, you can delete the whole list, or by using slicing, you can delete a portion of the list. Clear? Next, understand the remove function. Remove function means if I want to remove any particular element, I can use the remove function and pass the value as the argument. If I run it, 3 will be removed. Okay, now if I write 5, then what will happen? 5 will be removed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? If I write 1, what will happen? 1 will be removed. So the value you pass will be removed from the list. Okay. Now next understand pop function. Pop function means it eliminates the last element of the list. Here the list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if I run the pop function, then it will delete 5 from the list. Let me show you. The element removed is the last element, that is the 5, and updated list will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? So if you give pop and you give nothing as argument, it will delete the last element of the list. But instead of the last element, I want to delete something from the middle. What I can do? If I write mylist.pop2, that means second element will be deleted. Now if I run it, see what happens? 3 will be deleted. The remaining list is 1, 2, 4. Okay. So if you pass any argument in the pop function, then the value at that particular index, at that specified index will be deleted. If you pass nothing, it will delete the last element from the list. Clear? You understand the difference? Now the next concept is clear. What does clear function do? It clears the elements of the list. If I run it, a blank list will be printed. So it deletes the values of the list. Now tell me what is the difference between del and clear then? Del is also deleting the list. Clear is also deleting the list. Then what is the difference? The difference is that clear function doesn't delete the list. It deletes the values from the list. The same if I write a code for you like my list equal to 1 2 3 4 5 and I write del my list. Now if I try to access my list, see what will happen. We have seen before also, it will show an error because now the list is deleted, but still you are trying to access the list. So name my list is not defined. But here it is not like that. List is clear, the values are cleared, but an empty list is existing. Okay, so you get the difference between clear and delete. Delete deletes the list. Clear clears the values from the list. Okay. So this is all for today. In our next class, we will study some basic functions which can be applied on list. Okay, till then, bye. Happy learning.